is Sophie.
Stop it.
She's reading a Yaki book. This is Belle. Adobe Pro. What she's doing? See, you must follow the instructions. See, okay. How do you?
It's a spicy fish.
This is wrong review.
How do I put it in? How do I put it in now?
Okay, you should start the
What
video.
is?
This one. Do you want me to like put it at the side? Oh, it's still.
Okay. See, I'm very pro, so right. Then this is Jia Yu. She is very soft. See her Yaki surface. This is not the straight one.
Let's make it. Okay.
This is the Yaki video. What is it called?
Euro trip.
What is
They're acting like
this?
robots.
Okay. Now you film.
Hello.
She's not sick.
Smile, smile, smile. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, show her face. So nice.